Can neglected maintenance reduce home value? Yes, neglected maintenance can reduce a home's value by causing damage, safety concerns, costly repairs, and buyer distrust. Small problems often become much more expensive when they are ignored. A dripping faucet can lead to water damage, mold, or rotten cabinets, while a tiny roof leak can damage ceilings, insulation, and wooden framing. Buyers usually notice worn paint, broken fixtures, dirty gutters, cracked caulking, and overgrown yards because these details suggest that larger problems may also be hidden. They may ask for a lower price, request repairs, or decide not to make an offer at all. Some lenders and insurance companies may also require serious safety issues to be fixed before approving a loan or policy. One lesser-known issue is that poor maintenance can reduce a home's appraised value even when the house looks attractive, because appraisers compare its condition with similar homes nearby. A useful habit is to keep a written maintenance calendar for the roof, heating and cooling system, plumbing, appliances, gutters, exterior paint, and smoke alarms. Fixing problems early and saving receipts, permits, and inspection reports gives buyers proof that the home has been cared for. A common mistake is repairing only what can be seen, so check attics, crawl spaces, basements, and behind appliances for moisture or pests. Another mistake is choosing the cheapest quick repair, so use qualified professionals for electrical, structural, roofing, and plumbing work. Some homeowners also wait until they plan to sell, but regular maintenance costs less and protects value over time, so inspect the property at least twice each year. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.